Hi friends and viewer, my name is Syed Khalil and today I'm making a video about my gardening hobby, my gardening. I'm doing gardening since I was 5 years old and I planted so many plants. Many I don't remember uh, the name or quantity, but today I'm making this is interesting video. So, and you will be surprised also. Every year I'm buying seed from online or some store, and then I'm keeping in the small pot like this. So normally I use different type of soil and I mix together, and then you see the result here. Spring just started, and you can call this one is early spring. There's a two type of spring I consider: early spring, late spring, and early summer, late summer, and then early fall and complete fall. Complete fall, everything is on the plant. Mostly plant, 99% plant are dying except a few. So the interesting thing I'm showing you, because the Chicago weather is totally different than any other places. One day is a 80 degree, next day is going to be 20 degree, freezing cold air, windy, and sometime even the April we have a snow. Mostly of the plant, my plant die in the, because the weather is totally changed. One day is 80, next day is 30, or sometime 20 also. Sometimes we have frost. So when frost happen, many plants die. And look at this one. This of my plant pass away. Is no longer alive. Some are trying to struggle. So I find some other good solution. What I did now, when I'm seeding, I'm keeping everything here. Give a second. Now you can see after the planting grow up, I'm keeping in my car. Uh, you can see they are growing right now, and almost like a month. Only time I keep it outside when I'm watering. The temperature inside my car is perfect. Is humid inside. I can see here. Even if you can see the flower are blooming, you see the flower. And when I sit in my car or drive, I smell sometimes very nice fragrance. You cannot believe it. So these are my plants. I got like maybe 75 or 80 variety. I'm not gonna give you a name. It's gonna be too long. But you can see they are keep growing. These are baby plant, not too tiny baby. Almost like a 3 week right now. And so I started in the beginning of the March, and now they are ready to plant it outside my home or backyard. I will wait maybe one more week. So I'm transferring some are today, and some will be uh, next week. I have to check the temperature first. So here in Chicago, if you planted in the land, the temperature in the night should be over 45. Otherwise, they will die. This is my running car. It's not a junk car or nothing. So see all the flower. Their flower are blooming. They're almost ready. I have a space here. I can show you where I'm gonna plant it, but I'm just waiting for the nice weather to come, and I will be planted in this side. Few of them will be in the hanging basket. I have a basket here. I have a basket here too, and then my garden will be wonderful. So the reason I'm keeping this in the car, because my wife, she don't want it all the plant in the kitchen, and it's hard to maintain because the kitchen is gonna be wet. So what I'm doing now, you see my trunk. I have a tomato here. It's almost 50 plant of tomato, and it's almost like age is 3 week. After almost 8 week, the tomato plant, they start flowering, and they need another 3-4 week to become a ready fruit. So this is my video. If you like this, you please put some comment. If you don't like it, it's up to you, but if you like it, just click a thumbs up and share this video to all of your friends. And even if you have a question, you can ask me a question about regarding the any plant. If you need some help, I can give you advice, so how you can grow different plants. Okay, I believe that's it. So the next video, I will show you something more interesting, and for this time I have to say goodbye to you. Thank you. Bye bye.